Hello, Derwyn dwi, a chroeso chi I Archwilio Cymru. Hello, I'm Derwyn and welcome to Audit Wales. So I'm the Executive Director for Audit Modernisation and Impact. So what does somebody with a fancy title actually do? Well, I'm part of the Executive Leadership Team. So alongside the Auditor General, Kev and Anne-Marie, we have responsibility for all things Audit Wales. But in particular, I've got a responsibility for leading the directorate, which is named Audit Modernisation and Impact, where we look to become an organisation that's more future-focused, more innovative, and have a greater level of impact. To help me do that, there are 5 teams within the directorate. The first of which is our communications team. They lead all things to do with our communications, be it our website, our intranet, which is called the Hub, our social media, our reports, and a wide variety of other things fall under their wing. It also houses the good practice function, where as part of Audit Wales, we try and highlight good practice across the public sector in Wales. The second team is a team of data scientists who come together to form a data analytics team. That team has responsibility for seeking to maximise the impact we have in the use of data in all our audit work. Another team is a change team, a team which has got change management specialists who seek to deliver a whole host of projects across the organisation as we try and have that greater impact and modernise our organisation. There's also an IT team, so they're the team who will help you with your laptop and help you get securely onto the various servers we have. But obviously with digital being such a key part of our lives, they're also leading the drive to think about what technologies we should be using in the future of Audit Wales. Last, but by no means least, is our planning and reporting team. So they're the team that guide the strategic direction of Audit Wales and provide us with a sound governance framework. So they've got responsibility for things like the 5-year strategy, the annual plan, the interim report, and a whole variety of other strategic and governance documents. So 5 teams with different skills and expertise that come together to form the Audit Modernisation and Impact Directorate. Felly, croeso cynnes I chi I Archwilio Cymru. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen a'ch gweithio efo chi dros yr amser I ddod. Welcome to Audit Wales, and I very much look forward to working with you in the coming period. Diolch yn fawr, pob hwyl.